Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this wall tile and floral vase, both from Dollar Tree, as well as some of their fabric. I remove the top of the vase and set that aside. Add Mod Podge to one of the longer sides of the vase. Place down the fabric and smooth it out, getting it lined up with the top opening. I then flip the fabric over and put Mod Podge on both of the shorter sides and place down the fabric. I then dry those, make sure they were fully adhered, and then cut off some of the excess fabric, but leaving enough to be able to put the fabric on the bottom. Doing the same process with the Mod Podge, placing the fabric down, smoothing it out. And then once I do that, I dry that and cut off the excess fabric. I then touch up the corners with Mod Podge to make sure that fabric is still placed down, and then add the Mod Podge to the top of the fabric. I remove the backing of the wall tile. The entire thing is sticky. I use the clear opening of the longer side that I didn't put fabric on to see where I need to trace out because I wanted a certain image from the tile on the side that I didn't put fabric on. I trace that out and cut it, place it on the side of the vase, paint it with Plaster colored chalk paint, dry that completely, and then I am distressing it with Butter Pecan acrylic paint by Folkart. And then take the fan brush and kind of go over those textured areas on the tile. It's not as raised up as some of the other textured areas on some of their other tiles, so I kind of just have to go over the design with the fan brush to get that to stand out a little better with the other paint. Once I have it on there, I do sand it down a little bit just to distress it a little. I then take 4 square beads and paint those with that same paint and dry those completely. And then I did end up going back over some of that area with a small paintbrush just to fill it in a little more until I had it how I liked it. I then hot glue those beads to the bottom 4 corners. I then fill the vase with some rocks, place back on the top, which has 6 holes in it. So I just put the florals inside those holes and the rocks will help keep them into place. And everything I used today did come from Dollar Tree except for the paint. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.